In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Western Union locations near you. Western Union is a reliable way to send and receive money from almost anywhere in the world. The process to find a nearby Western Union location is simple and convenient, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This could be anything from Chrome to Firefox or Safari, whatever you're comfortable with. Once you've done that, navigate to the Western Union locations page. Simply type www.westernunion.com/find locations into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the page specifically designed to help you locate Western Union service points. The page you've opened will have a field where you can enter your city or province. Take a moment to think about exactly where you need to find a location, whether it's close to home, work, or perhaps somewhere you'll be traveling soon. Type the name of your city or province into this field. As you type, you might notice that suggestions come up. These can be helpful to ensure you're selecting an available location. Once you've entered your desired location, look for the search bar menu, which should be clearly visible on the page. Clicking on it will allow you to confirm your entry and submit the information. This is essentially telling the site, hey, look in this area for me. Once clicked, the page will refresh and display a list of Western Union locations in the area specified. You'll see these results presented in a list format, often alongside a map for visual reference. This can be very handy, as it allows you to not only see the locations, but also gauge their proximity at a glance. You might consider clicking on a few locations to view their specific details. Often this will provide you with additional information like exact address, operating hours, and available services. Another tip is to zoom in on the map. By doing so, you can see even the smallest streets and intersections, ensuring you know exactly where you're headed. If you're using a mobile device, you can usually pinch to zoom, making navigation even easier on the go. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have no trouble finding a Western Union location that meets your needs. It's just a matter of a few clicks and some basic information. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in locating a Western Union without any hassle. Remember, whether you're sending money to a loved one or collecting your own, Western Union locations are generally well distributed, making it a convenient choice for financial transactions worldwide.